Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Cybersecurity YouTube channel. Today is day 15th after next week course. Today we have Ron Darwood, nested list, string formatting, dictionaries, time and work problems has been led pattern, and test on past simple tense. Let me show you how much I have scored in each. Day 15th after Tata's speech, and at present we are on day 74 of the course. You can see my ranking scores for each of the test cases. Pattern here, pattern again, and basic axis, pattern, common specific 26. Now we have to write a coding practice on MCQs. Let me write MCQs first. After the ending, let's see how much time it will take. It is this net is required for under 2 days. Let's see Monday 1, grand test. Here a grand test, here also a grand test. Let's wait to this one. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, subscribe my channel, hit that like button and share with your friends. I want to reach at least 100 subscribers, the minimum target at present, and 1000 subscribers minimum to establish the YouTube partner to start to reach the milestone of the YouTube partnership problem 1000 subscribers. For 100 subscribers are important. At present I have 65 and 35 subscribers has to be done. That means it gives motivations for me that my channel is reaching to important grinds for subscribers. Time for Saturday and